What are we making today?
Glow-in-the-dark glue.
Okay. Glow in the Dark glue by Elmer's. So, do you guys know how much magical liquid we need?
One.
1/4 cup.
1/4 cup.
Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Everybody gets 1/4 cup. There you go. Well, you can open your glue and put it inside.
Okay.
Magical liquid.
I got my
Magical liquid. That's what we're using to mix this up. Oh, Aiden, good job. You already opened yours.
mine just came
A
out.
lot of stuff in here. Oh, there it is. Is that... All right.
I think that's all I have.
Are you sure? Guys, remember, it's okay to get your hands messy because your hands will... When you're done...
Then mix.
Yep, mix. Put your hands in the bowl and mix. Put your hand in the bowl. Mix. Keep mixing, guys. Keep mixing, guys.
Mixing stuff.
Ethan is singing a mixing song. Guys, is it almost making up slime?
Yeah.
Almost?
If I just have a little bit of liquid.
Pick it up, let me see. Uh-oh. Pick it all the way up, let me see.
Mine is falling.
Is yours falling?
Dun dun dun.
Wow, Avery, look at Avery's. Keep mixing, Avery. So how do you stir?
How do you mix it?
Uh-oh.
It's good. How do you mix? With your hand.
Aiden, look, yeah, when you finish making it, look, it's not gonna stick to your hand anymore.
Mine is not done.
Baby, it's okay.
It's not sticking to this hand anymore. Lucky hand. Oh, mine is ready.
So guys, when you hold it up,
Now let's see.
no, hold it up and see if it droops down.
I got purple.
Droop in the middle. It's not in the middle. Dennis, I said in the middle. What did you make?
It's pizza dough.
Pizza dough. Ethan, what did you make?
I'm making pizza dough.
You're making pizza dough. Good job, guys.
Avery, what are you making?
9 times so it can grow.
9 times so it can glow. So does anybody want to see if the glow in the dark? Anybody want to see if the glow in the dark works?
Yes.
Okay, let's turn off the lights.
Click, click. Whoa.
Mine is blue.
Yeah, you can touch it. Play with it and let's see.
Mine turned to yellow.
Did it turn to yellow?
Oh, there's more of mine. So this color is orange to yellow.
Is it?
And this one is yellow to green. And this one is blue to purple. Put it in the ding. It came out like a burrito. This is how you're supposed to flip it upside down. I did it. And I flat it. This was it.
I think it's pretty fun too.
I love going everywhere and it gets really hot.
You want to do what?
Mine was going everywhere. Now let's jump rope. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, more of it.
Ah! I'm doing it. Table's lighting up.
Keep the slime on the table, please.
The table's lighting up.
Why is your slime on the floor? No, I don't think anyone will find that funny.
Meow, 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 meow. They're going to start to run away from food. I know what I'm gonna make.
So guys, question, what do you think about this? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up?
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Look at me.